SEO isn't just about what's working today, it's about knowing what's coming next. And SEO forecasting helps you stay ahead by predicting traffic trends and performance shifts. In this video, we'll walk you through two proven methods for SEO forecasting: keyword-based and statistical forecasting, so that you can predict your traffic volumes with confidence. Plus, we're sharing a free SEO forecasting template to simplify the process. Let's dive in. The keyword-based approach estimates potential traffic by multiplying the total search volume by the expected click-through rate for your target ranking position. Let's say one of your target pages ranks in position 12 for a set of keywords with a combined 15,600 searches. And your goal is to move it up to position 8, where the expected average click-through rate is around 1%. Using the formula, your estimated monthly traffic would be 15,600 by 1%, 156 visitors. And that's keyword-based forecasting. Do you want a more data-driven approach? Statistical forecasting uses historical traffic trends to predict future performance, giving you a more reliable long-term outlook. To do this, you need to bear with me a little. Go to Google Search Console, navigate to Performance, and then Search Results. Choose a monthly time range, select your desired page, and export click data spanning the past 12 to 18 months. Next, open Google Sheets and create 3 columns called Months, Historical Traffic Data, and Traffic Forecast. Enter your collected Google Search Console data into the dedicated columns. Then, use the Forecast function in the first cell for the first months you want to forecast traffic, where the first value indicates the months you want to predict the traffic for, the second value shows the range of your historical traffic data, and the third value represents the full set of months you have traffic data for. Make sure to add $ before the column and row numbers for the second and third values. This will lock the data range when you copy the formula. Alright, next, to round the numbers, add the round function at the start of the formula. And finally, drag the formula down to apply it to all upcoming months and get the traffic forecast for each month. While this approach requires a bit more analytical know-how, a dedicated SEO forecasting template will make things much easier. Do you want to skip all of the laborious manual work? Use our free organic traffic forecast template to simplify your statistical SEO forecasting. Just input up to 16 months of historical data, and the template will generate predictions on forecasted traffic, as well as monthly and annual growth rate for the next 2 years. The best part here is that the forecast provides you with an upper and lower range to account for seasonality and algorithm updates. This gives you an even more realistic projection of your site's performance. Now, if you're looking for reliable, real-time traffic insights, use a dedicated SEO tool like SEO Ranking. You can, for example, get insights on specific search engines. Select one or choose to view all search engines of your project at once and get their respective traffic forecasts here to see how many visitors your keywords could potentially drive your way. You can also get traffic insights on each individual keyword or keyword group. And no insight is good without competitor data. SEO Ranking gives you the liberty to see your digital rivals' traffic forecasts with detailed info on estimated clicks per keyword, page, and country. Last but not least, you can also get insights on newly researched keywords. When researching keywords, you definitely want to know if they are worth targeting. Here, you can see how much traffic the URLs ranking for a particular keyword are getting. Plus, you can go here to stay on top of traffic changes of these URLs over time. With these traffic insights, you can then set realistic SEO goals and make data-driven decisions. What does your SEO forecast look like? Start collecting your website traffic insights today by trying SEO Ranking with our free 14-day trial. The link's in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SEO content tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.